Chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.2, question number first. Now, first part. 10 students of class 10 took part in maths quiz. So 10, let the number of boys be X and number of girls be Y. According to question, total student is X plus Y is 10. Second condition, if the number of girls is 4 more, here X and Y, this is boys and this is girls. Girls is already kitni more hai? 4. So when we equate, so we add 4 here, so it balances the equation. Girls are 4 more than the number of boys. Find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. इसको कैसे find करना है? Manually you can find, but in this question you find by graphical method. You draw the graph, and when lines are intersect, that point you will find by graph. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Table for equation 1. Take 2 points x, y. If I take x 5, then y is also 5. If I take x 4, x 6, take 6 there, then y is 4. This is the points of equation 1. Now, for equation 2, plotting the points x and y. If I take x0, y is 4. If I take x2, y is 6. Y is 6. Now, plot the points. You plot the points in the graph paper. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All are positive points, so it in the first quadrant. Now see, 0, 5, 5. 5 here, 5 here. 5, 5. Now, 6, 4. 6 here, 4 here. 6, 4. Draw this line, join these points. So, this is the equation of line 1. X plus y is equal to 10. Now 0, 4, 4 and 2, 6. 2, 6. 2, 6. 0, 4 and 2, if I join these 2 points, it will intersect somewhere there and here. This is the intersecting point. This point is 3, 7. If you draw in a graph and you draw a line touching to x-axis, you find that it touch x-axis. This point touch x-axis at 3 and y-axis at 7. Now 3, 7. Here also 3, 7. So this is the solution. This is our intersecting points. Lines are intersect, and you can check with this also. Here the coefficient of x is 1 and here it is 1, and here it is coefficient of y is 1 and here it is minus 1. So a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2. Put the value 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 3 and y4. So transpose 3 here, 4 is equal to 4. So this is the solution. Question 2. On comparing ratios A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2, find lines are parallel, coincident, थर्ड इंटरसेक्ट. 3 कंडीशन में से एक कंडीशन बतानी है. तो आई विल now I will recall that conditions. You know what is the condition for intersect lines? A1 upon A2 not equals to B1 upon B2. What is the condition for coincident lines? A1 upon A2 equals to B1 upon B2 equals to C1 upon C2. You know what is A1? Coefficient of X, first line. A2 coefficient of X, second line. B1 coefficient of Y, first line. B2 coefficient of Y, second line. C1 constant term, first line. C2 constant term, second line. Third condition थी, this we already read. Parallel lines. A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 not equals to C1 upon C2. These are the parallel. First two lines को अपन ने क्या बोला था कंडीशन को? Consistent lines, consistent solutions. Second को inconsistent solutions. Now I will start first part. First part, 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0, 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Now you check, what is A1 upon A2? A1 upon A2 is equal to 5 upon 7, B1 upon B2 is equal to minus 4 upon 6. It means minus 2 by 3. We see that 5 upon 7 and minus 2 upon 3 are not equal. So the condition is A1 upon A2 not equals to B1 upon B2. This implies lines are intersecting. अब इसका थर्ड पार्ट लेंगे. 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. You see here A1 upon A2 equals to A1 is 6, A2 is 2 and B1 upon B2 is equal to minus 3 upon minus 1. This is cancelled out. This comes 3, this comes 3. Now go for C. C1 upon C2 equals to 10 upon 9. These two are equal and third one is not equal. So what is the condition here? A1 upon A2 equals to B1 upon B2 not equals to C1 upon C2. This is the condition for parallel lines. This is the condition for parallel lines. Same question 3. In question 3, what you do? You have to tell which line are consistent and which are inconsistent. So I will start question 3. same type. On comparing this, find out lines are, find out equations are consistent or inconsistent. Consistent or inconsistent. Here I will do third part first. 3 by 2x plus 5 upon 3y, 7 को the transpose कर लो, minus 7 is equal to 0, 9x minus 10y minus 14 is equal to 0. Now you check what is a1 upon a2. a1 upon a2, 3 by 2 upon 9. This you can write 3 upon 2 into 9, cancel out, and a1 upon a2, 1 upon 6. Now b1 upon b2, 5 by 3 upon minus 10, this will come out 5 upon 3 into minus 10, minus will here, so it is minus 1 by 6. It is 1 by 6 and it is minus 1 by 6, so it is intersecting lines, and intersecting lines are consistent. Now one more question. Question number 5th part. 4 upon 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, means minus 12 is equal to 0. Transpose that side. So a1 upon a2, 4 upon 3 upon 2, it means 4 upon 3 into 2 cancel, 2 by 3. a1 upon a2 is 2 by 3. b1 upon b2 is also 2 by 3. c1 upon c2 minus 8 upon minus 12. Minus minus cancel out, cut by 4 table, 4 2 is 8, 2. So all are 2 by 3, 2 by 3. What is the condition here? a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. It means lines are coincident. Lines are coincident lines, and it is consistent. Coincident lines are consistent. Question 5. Half the perimeter of rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36. Find the dimensions of the garden. Half the perimeter of rectangular garden is 36. Let length be x meter, breadth be y meter. Now according to question, here it is length, here it is breadth. Length is already 4 more. We can add 4 to breadth side and equate the equation. This is equation 1. Now equation 2, what is parameter? 2 length plus breadth upon 2 is equal to 36. 2 cut x plus y is equal to 36. This is equation 2. You have to find the dimensions x and y. Either you have to find by graphical method in this exercise. So I give you the plotting points and you do in graph and find the points, and I will solve it by substitution method and compare that points with your graph points. So what is the points for equation 1? X and y. If I take x, y is equal to 10, x is equal, y is equal to 10, x is equal to 14. If I take y is equal to 20, y is equal to 20, x is equal to 34. Here for second, plotting points are this. If I take, you write y is equal to 30 minus x. If I take x is equal to 20, y is equal to 16. If I take x is equal to 10, if I take x is equal to 10, y is equal to 26. Plot these points on the graph. Now, I will solve by substitution method. See here in equation 2, here it is x. Put the value of x here. So, put the value of x here. Put 1 into y plus 4 plus y is equal to 36. 2y is equal to 36 minus 4. It means 2y is equal to 32. This implies y is equal to 2 से 32 got 16. Put in 1. यहाँ रख दीजिए y को, तो क्या आ जाएगा x is equal to 20. तो 20 is length, 16 is breadth. In graph you see that at this point your graph will intersect. Question 7. Draw the graph of equations x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Determine the vertices of triangle. इससे जो triangle बनेगा उसके vertex बताने. Vertices of triangle formed by the lines and the x-axis and shaded the triangular region. Vertices of triangle x-axis. Now, give this name first. This to table for equation first. If I take x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. If I take y is equal to 0, 1 को जब ट्रांसपोज करेंगे तो -1. You can substitute it here. It will 0. It will 0. Now second equation, table for second equation x or y. If I take x0, x को 0 ले लिया, y कितना हो गया 6. If I take y0, then x is equal to 4. अगर y को 0 लिया, 3x is equal to 12. 3x is equal to 12, so x is equal to 4. So plot these points in the graph. You do in graph paper. Y-axis, x-axis, and one coordinate is negative -1, 0. So extend it 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 0, 1 in first. 0, this is 0, 1, and this is -1, 0, and this is 0, 1. Draw a straight line passing through these 2 points. This is equation 1. Now 0, 6. This is 0, 6, and 4, 0. This is the line. This is 4, 0. This is 0, 6. This is intersecting point. You have to shade the triangle and give this name A, B, C. So C is somewhere 3 and 3. C is graph से actual आएगा 2, 3. If I put 2 and 3, it will satisfy 2, 2 and 3. It will satisfy. So 2, 3 is the intersecting point. This is 2, 3. this is A is minus 1 comma 0 and B is 4 comma 0. So A is minus 1 comma 0, B is 2 comma 3 and C is 4 comma 0. This is the vertices of the triangle and we shade the triangle with respect to x. दो ट्रायंगल बने, एक y एक्सिस पे बना है, एक x एक्सिस बना है. उसने किसको शेड करने के लिए कहा है? x एक्सिस वाले को. So this complete the question.